Hi, it's me, Hannah, and I'm eating pandekoko. Today, wala akong magawa. I'm just watching Francine's vlog, which is her vlog condo tour plus cooking challenge. Mag-wait lang ako mag 10 para pumunta sa Robinsons for our project because may project kami doon. Not actually us, but the third year students and I'm a second year student. And gumawa kami ng commercial para ipalabas doon. And I'm waiting na mag 10 a.m. para makapag-start doon and makapunta na ako. And I'm eating pandekoko as an almusal. Oh, yummy! So sarap. So today, habang waiting tayo mag-10, I'll just show you my office workplace. Ito yung salamin ko. And my water. Stayed hydrated, guys. A ketchup from Jollibee. In case may fries. Notepad. A scented candle but not used. So it's so madumi na. Kaya rin pa. Staple wires for the staplers, of course. Whiteboard marker, refill ink para sa mga magre-refill ng whiteboard marker para sa mga teachers because I'm here deployed in the Naga College Foundation Elementary or Grade School office. Paper clips para sa mga files na pag-iisahin and yung requirements sa mga mag-e-enroll. Yes, ako po gumawa nito. Scratch papers, glue, ito, perfume. Binigay ito sa akin ni ma'am, yung head ko. It's so bango. It is 1,000 wishes. Bath and Body Works. Ayan, I have staples, scissors, 2 scissors, permanent marker, lagyan na ng pencil, whiteboard ba to? Hindi permanent to eh. Ball pen, and yan lang naman. And ito, may powder ako dito. PC, personal collection. Ang bango nito, guys. Para siyang pabangon na powder. Hindi ko mabuksan eh. Basta mabango to. Try nyo. PC Personal Collection Sophia. Ang babango ng mga products nila. And I have a tape dispenser. Pinangalanan ko kasi laging nawawala. And I have here binigay ng boyfriend ko na bracelet na nasira. So I'll just keep it like this. Taylor Swift. Binili niya to sa ka-SA ka din na nagsisell. So, yan, speaker. And ito si Ma'am Franz, my head supervisor here. Yung desktop. Ayan yung desktop ko to do some work files. Keyboard. Wala, mga favorite place, which is Seoul, Korea. See you soon. And yan, yung name ko. And ito, this is my boyfriend, guys. Yan. Hi! Meron akong stamp pad to stamp some receive na mga i-receive na files. So, yan yung stamp pad. And sanitizer. Syempre, para mag-disinfect ng hands and ng surroundings. Ayan. And yan yung phone holder ko. Keep my phone stand. And ito yung lagyan na ng pandekoko na binigay sa akin. Pero kay mga friends to. Ball pen and logbook and the key. Yung key ng office binigay sa akin kasi nag-leave si ma. And bibigay ko din ito mamaya kasi alis ako. Pupunta din nga ako sa Robinsons. And ayan, yan yung entrance door. This is the table of Ma'am Franz, my head supervisor. And I have here some, this is scratch papers. And yan, dishwashing liquid, hand soap, alcohol. Ngayon, kakatapos ko lang gumawa ng isang file na kailangan ng isang teacher. And binigyan niya ako ng bread, snack. It's some Korean bread daw, pero made in dito sa Naga. And ube flavor. This is so yummy. Ang sarap ng feelings nito. Cheese na may pagka-sweet. And I'll bring this on Robin sa pagpunta natin mamaya. Time check. It's already... Is it? Where's my phone? Check. It's already 9:46. And the event will be at 10. So, kailangan before 10. And ngayon dapat nagpe-prepare na ako para pumunta doon. So, let's prepare for project. Mag-retouch lang. Help me prepare, mag-retouch. My first is, let's put some powder. Ano naman ako, mag-skincare. Kanina, bago ako umalis sa bahay. Ano yan? Powder ba? Siyempre, para hindi lusaw pagdating doon. Kasi papapagalitan tayo. As a marketing student, kailangan lagi tayong professional. In and out. Gamitin kong lipstick is yung Pink Flash. Yan, yung Pink Flash. From Shopee, of course. Hindi ko sa Shopee. What's deeply additional some Berry Bliss. A touch of Berry Bliss. Kasi parang mukhang Radiant. Ang ganda ng shade nito. What shade is this? Prime Beauty Cosmetic. Binili ko doon sa isang mother ng mag-aaral dito. Ayan, it's gorgeous shade. Shade of Gorgeous. Parang orange. To end it with tayo and with some brushes. So I'm ready. I'll update you later what will happen. Ayan guys, I'm walking papunta na dun sa Robinson. Magsasakay tayo ng jeep para kasi mainit. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng payong.
nalobat yung camera ko. And hindi ko na siya nagamit. May mga clips lang ako na i-video. Pero, hindi ko na siya natapos i-friend na i-video kasi nalobat ko lang charger. Yun lang. Thank you for watching my vlog. I'll see you again next vlog. Ano pa may content ko. And request ko yung content na nagawa ko. Sana yung convenient. And thank you. Bye-bye!